Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we have new scholarship and this opportunity is from Sweden. It's a fully funded scholarship in Sweden and it's one of the top universities of Sweden, Uppsala University. So you have a very high chances of getting scholarship and admission in this university for session 2022 and 2023. This is a global scholarship from the university and Sweden is one of the top most preferred countries by students to have their educations without any costs, absolutely free, which includes boarding, air tickets, everything. We will discuss fully in this detail and will guide you on how to apply to the applications, how to create account, how to fill application, everything step by step in this video. Please do watch full video so that you cannot miss any part of this video and later found difficulties in applying to this opportunity. If you are new and watching our video or have previously watched our videos but have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you like our dedication in providing you this opportunity and showing you step-by-step guides to each of our scholarships provided on our YouTube, please press subscribe button. Also press that like button and press that thumbs up button. You can share the videos with your friends so that they can get benefit as well. To get to this scholarship link, you can check video description below. Link is given in the video description. Just check the link below and click on that link. It will take you to our website here. Here are full descriptions about this opportunity. So deadline for this opportunity is 1st of February 2022. It's an annual deadline. So courses will start from the August 2022. So you have enough time to prepare and submit this application. So host university is the Uppsala University in Sweden, and master's programs you can study, and you can be citizen from outside EU or Switzerland, and this scholarship will almost cover everything, and you can check application instructions. So you have to fill the application for admissions till 17th of January, and after you get acceptance, then you will be sent a link in your email for the scholarship. So you have to fill the admissions right now, and after that you have to fill the scholarship application after you get accepted. Whoever gets accepted, they will get the scholarship link to get the scholarships. So reading every detail and step to apply. You can also follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. Scholarship link is also given here on Instagram. Just click the link in bio, or you can message us whatever doubt you have. If you need anything, any suggestions, any guidance, you can just submit a message request and we will answer that. It's absolutely free. So just subscribe so that you cannot miss and next opportunity that we post tomorrow or we post here. We have a slogan new scholarship every day so that you cannot miss tomorrow's opportunity as well. So we don't want to waste your year again. So I hope you have read these details, and when you click on the link given in the video description, you can read it by yourself. Also, if you have still any doubt, you can message us. Now beginning the application part, here you can check website, link is given here. Just click on this apply here button. Once you click on that apply here button, you can check, it will redirect you to the official Uppsala University website. Here you can check Uppsala University scholarship for prospective students, means new students. So you must be an international student to submit application here. So you can check, we have already mentioned these details on our website, but still you can re-verify from Google or here from official website. So best source for verifying the information is just go to the official websites. So whenever you get info, whenever you get hint of any scholarship, whenever you get any information about scholarship, just Google them and verify from their official website so that you cannot fall prey to the fake fraudsters, so that you cannot waste your money or time. That's why we advise you, we recommend you that you verify information from websites first. Go to the official website so that you cannot miss your waste or your time. So now here you can check how to apply section. To be considered for the admissions, you must have the admissions first at Uppsala University in bachelor's or master's program. So you can check, visit this link between this dates so that you can get admissions. After you get admissions, then you can fill the scholarship. Access the scholarship form will be available from 18th of January, 1st of February. So first you need to complete this step. Once you get your acceptance, then you need to complete second step. Now to get to the admissions, just click on this link here, universityadmissions.se. Once you click on that SE admissions, it will take you official Sweden admissions. So it's a government portal provided by the Sweden universities and Sweden government collaboration, so that you can apply to any of the Sweden universities. But at right now we are going to apply for the Uppsala University. Just remember the name, then go down here and you can check apply for masters, bachelors as well. So you can go to these links and read details about, but the easiest way to get to this is just click on this login button mentioned on the top right here. Click on this login button. Once you click on that login button, it will take you to the login page. If you have previously signed up, you can use the same email and password, then login. If you are new, just click on this create an account. Once you click on the create an account, just select do you have a Swedish number, say no. Then provide your first name, last name, date of birth, gender, address, country, email address, password. Just keep these details correct so that they will be included automatically to your account. So later in the application you don't have to fill again these details, just fill them correctly. So once you have everything, then click login and then use the same email and password, then click on login. So if you have previously submitted any applications, that will be shown to your. So here you can check our previous applications were here, but we had not completed them. Right now we are going to show you Uppsala University admissions. Just click on this my selection on the top right and click on this find course and programs. Now go down here and here you can check all universities. Just scroll down, click on this. You can apply to any of the universities, but today's scholarship is just for Uppsala University. Scroll down and go to the Uppsala University here. Just tick that. It will find the courses in this. Now choose the course like bachelor's, master's, whichever you want. I am choosing for the bachelor's. Just clicking here so that you can check the courses here. If you need any other courses, you can click on masters. So you can apply to masters as well. Whichever course you want to apply, like bachelor's, masters, you can apply to that. Both are eligible for scholarships. Now let me find the course that I am intending to study. So here I have found my master's in computer science. Just click on the select button here. Go now course selected, go to my selection again, click on this. Now you can check see more. Just click on this show more and you can read about this. On the right here will be a start application button. Just click on this start application. Now you can check international masters application. So you have to prioritize first. Just click on this continue. So this is our first prioritization. Just click on continue. Now submit application. So by university qualification, where you have previous qualification, just select that country here. As I am from Nepal, I am selecting that again. Now click on this submit button here. So you must verify fee exam stats. If you have like your income certificate that you have low fees and low other details, you can submit the application for application fee waiver. Here you can check application sent to the university. Go to my page, you can check messages. So we might have received. Here you can check Uppsala University has sent us a message. Please download the application summary sheet here, fill it, save it and then submit it along the rest of application. Just click on the download application summary here, that link given in the message. So now this is the important part. So let the page load. This is, you can check. So this is our application form. You need to now fill this first name. So this is a table, first name, last name, application number that we have generated here. We have our application number here. Just copy that application number, then paste it here, then email, same email, the university, your undergraduate degrees like previous education, grades, degree, field of study, and now master's degree if you have other additional information, courses that you had previously, credits that you had, thesis if you have any, statement of purpose, and then you need to submit this. When you have your application filled, when you fill this application, save this application, then click on this, go to documents here. So you can upload your application form. That application form that you filled here, just upload it here with English proficiency, ID documents, and your previous degrees, diplomas, and transcripts. So once you done that, you will be having a application fee. You have to pay application fee, and once your application fee is complete, university will evaluate and send you the acceptance. Once you receive acceptance, you will receive also the application link for scholarships. Once you have scholarship application, you can fill that, and both admission and scholarship will be done to the Uppsala University, and you will be receiving a global scholarship. I hope you have understood this process, and if you like our dedication in showing this video and this application step by step guide, please do like this video and subscribe our channel. If you are not followed us on Instagram, please click on the follow button, and you can get scholarship link there. Also, you can check Instagram bio or this video description to get scholarship link and submit the click on that link. You will be redirected to our website and where you can submit the applications. If you have any doubts, you can message us or comment down below. We will answer that doubts. I hope you have found this video helpful for you. Please do share this video and subscribe our channel. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.